Yeah.
That's the tariff announcement day on a daily chart. So that's last week. 20-day delay. So it rallied, came back down again. It's recovered a little bit. So you can see we're up 5-6% from where we were. I think that what we saw over the past week really is the biggest set of losses into a short space of time since COVID, really, because you've had a sudden shock to the markets in a similar way to what you had 5 years ago. Suddenly there was the expectation of the shutdown of the global economy. Now you're facing potential global recession. And so markets are struggling to price this. So they've moved very, very quickly in a short space of time. I think it's comparable really to 2020 and then really back, I think, to sort of 2008 and the global financial crisis are the closest comparators we have, really.
Anything from outside?
We've seen them recover slightly from the lows of Monday. So we kind of had a sort of washout on Monday and then we had a bit of a bounce. But I think there's still a lot of caution because you had the EU last night saying they expected to impose a 25% tariff, though they were open to negotiations. So there's hope, I think, that there'll be some kind of deal over the next few weeks, and that's leading to some small recovery in stock markets at the moment.
Doors open straight away from the office, so I can just on my message.
It's very, very hard to say at the moment because the size of the tariffs and it depends how long they stay in place as well. If they are negotiated away or brought down, then you might have a more sustained recovery. But the key will be in the data in the weeks and months to come. If you get data that shows the economy is slowing, that inflation has returned, that will be a sign that maybe we're heading towards a period of weaker economic growth, possibly even recession around the globe, maybe, not just confined to one part of it. And that would then mean that maybe markets will continue to fall, maybe not as quickly as they have done, but maybe a slower period, a period of slower falls, if you like.